If you think everyone making money online is loud about it, posting screenshots and showing off results, you are wrong. Right now, there are people quietly building income using AI. No noise. No hype. Just systems that work in the background. And the interesting part is this, most of them started as beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how beginners are quietly making money with AI step by step. Not theory. Just simple systems you can actually follow. And if you stay until the end, you'll understand how to turn this into something that can grow over time. Let's start with something important. Why most people never make money with AI. Most people watch videos. They get excited. They open ChatGPT. They try something for 1 or 2 days. Then they stop. They think it doesn't work. But the problem is not AI. The problem is lack of structure. The people making money quietly are not doing random things. They are following simple systems. Let me show you those systems. The first system is what I call the content system. This is one of the easiest ways beginners start. They use AI to create content. That content can be YouTube videos, blog posts, social media content. Let's take YouTube as an example. Instead of recording videos, they use AI. They generate scripts. They create voiceovers. They use visuals. They upload consistently. At first, nothing happens. But over time, videos start getting views. Some videos perform better than others. And slowly, the channel grows. This is how many faceless channels are built. Not overnight, but consistently. The second system is the digital product system. This is where things get interesting. Instead of just creating content, they create products. Simple products. Not complicated. Examples. Guides, checklists, templates, mini ebooks using AI. They create these products faster. They don't spend weeks. They spend hours. Then they upload these products online. And every time someone downloads or buys, they earn. Quietly. No need to talk to customers. No need to ship anything. This is one of the most powerful beginner systems. The third system is the freelancing shortcut system. Most people think freelancing requires experience. But AI changes that. Instead of starting from zero, you use AI as support. Let's say a client needs a blog post, an email sequence, a product description. You use ChatGPT to generate a draft. Then you refine it, improve it, deliver it. You work faster. You take more clients. And over time, you improve your skill. Many beginners start here because it brings quicker results. Now here's something important. The people making money quietly are not doing one thing. They are combining systems. For example, they start with freelancing, then create digital products, then build content. Each system supports the other. This is how income grows. Now let's talk about something most people ignore. Consistency. You will not see results in 1 week. You may not see results in 1 month. But if you keep going, something changes. Your content improves. Your speed increases. Your understanding grows. And eventually, your results start to show. The people making money quietly are not lucky. They are consistent. Now let's go deeper. How do you actually start? Step 1. Choose one system. Not 3. Not 5. Just one. For beginners, I recommend content system or digital product system. Step 2. Learn one tool. Start simple. Use ChatGPT. Do not jump from tool to tool. Master one first. Step 3. Create something small. Not perfect. Just small. One video. One guide. One product. Step 4. Publish. Do not wait. Do not overthink. Put it out. Step 5. Repeat. This is where most people fail. They do it once, then stop. But repetition is where growth happens. Now let's talk about the difference between noise and real results. Many people online focus on appearance. They want to look successful. They want quick results. They want attention. But the people making money quietly focus on systems. They focus on building. They focus on improving. And because of that, they win in the long run. Now let's talk about passive income. Passive income does not mean zero work. It means building something that continues to work. A YouTube video. A digital product. A template. These are assets. AI helps you create these assets faster. But you still need to build them. Once you build enough, they start working for you. Now let's talk about mindset. If you approach AI like a shortcut, you will fail. If you approach AI like a tool, you will grow. The difference is how you use it. Do you depend on it? Or do you use it to improve your work? The people making money quietly use AI as leverage, not as a replacement for thinking. Now let's bring everything together. To start making money with AI, choose one system, use one tool, create something simple, publish it, stay consistent, improve over time. That's it. Simple, but not easy. Now your next step is very clear. Open ChatGPT. Pick one idea. Create something. It does not need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. Because once you start, everything becomes easier. And remember this. You don't need to be loud to succeed. You don't need to show off. You don't need to rush. You just need to build. Quietly. Consistently. If you want more videos about AI tools, passive income, and online business, subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we focus on real systems. Simple systems that actually work. And in the next video, I'll show you another strategy that can help you grow faster using AI. See you in the next video.